Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete or remove browsing data, history, cookies and cache in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. For this, first open this one Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says settings, and in the drop down menu, click on this one settings option. Under Arc settings, click on this one default option under profiles section. Here you need to click on this one advanced search engine. Click on this one up arrow button. After that, click on privacy and security. Now click on this one delete browsing data option under privacy and security section. From here you can select time range from last hours to all times. These all will be selected by default. Just click on this one delete data button. In case you want to delete more details, just again click on this one option and now switch to this one advanced tab. Here you can also select time range from last hour to all times. After that you can choose this one browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, password and other sign-in data, etc. Just check all the details that you want to remove from your Arc browser. After that, click on this one delete data button. This will remove all the browsing data, cache, etc. from your Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC.